Do you want to know how you can generate business logos using Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate business logos using Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now tap on Apps, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Go to Explore AI. And what you need to do is scroll down until you find business logos. Tap on it and you can write down simplicity, modernity, romance, warmth, hip and trendy. So this is the type of design style. Now you can write down what type of logo you want to design. So I'll write the company's name is XYZ Corp and it is an IT company. So I'll click generate and it might take some time for Bing AI to generate a business logo. Wait for it and keep your patience. And then it is trying to create a business logo for yourself according to your want and what you typed in. So you can also include a globe in the logo, use warm colors like orange and yellow, make it minimalistic, and you can see that this logo has been created. You can tap on it and you can download the image by clicking on the 3 lines button. Click download and you can see that your logo has been downloaded and it looks absolutely beautiful. You can view this later as well and you can download the photos or the logos which were generated by Bing. This was a video on how you can generate business logos using Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.